Alrighty guys, here we go again. We've been having this discussion. Guys, the question always becomes, should you drain the coolant when you're replacing an oil cooler or filter adapter housing? Now, I do not, and I'm going to tell you why I do not. Because I'm going to make a mess regardless, guys. Whether I drain the coolant, whether I spend time draining the coolant or not, when I pick up on this, some residual coolant is going to come out of this and make its way into the oil pan anyway. I have plans on every one of these jobs I do. I have plans to change the oil regardless, okay? So again, the question will become, should you take time to drain the coolant when you're getting ready to do a coolant? Everybody's different. To each his own. Do what's best for you. In my situation, I'm under time constraint. I would not waste time fighting with that drain cock to drain the coolant when I'm going to change the oil anyway and add coolant. All right, so let's see just how much. Whoa. It wasn't that bad. Yeah, see, I'm gonna make a mess regardless, guys. All right, I got work to do.